I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now. We're at 4th and Ozark, and the wind has still been steady all evening long. Not a lot of calls for emergency. About 25 minutes ago here at 4th and Ozark, reports of a utility pole down, and it's across 4th Street. We'll show you here in just a second. Joplin Fire Department here on the scene. I just checked the power outage update. Looks about like currently about 800 without power in southeast Joplin. I don't believe it's related to this pole down here. We're looking to the west on 4th Street. That light in the distance is 4th and Florida. And this utility pole is blocking the entire 4th Street. We'll try and keep you updated through the night. If you tap your screen and click that bit link. On the way here, I was texting with Doug Hetty, chief meteorologist at KOAM, and he just was doing a YouTube video. Put that link right here. If you tap your screen and click that bit link, okay? KOAM News Now, I'm Shannon Becker. We'll be out tonight, keeping you up to date with what's happening with the weather.